Good morning, this is Rick, your aftermarket update for the EMINI trading room on Friday, November 1st. Alright guys, let me tell you what happened today. We had a pretty active morning. We still have a trade in progress for any of those who are still in the trade. But I'm actually only going to count a couple points on this trade. I'll get to that in a second. The first trade of the morning was at 1755 quarter. It was basically right when the market opened right here. I said that the market wanted to go up to around I said 7 quarter would be good to start taking some profits. And then 875 is where I ultimately got out. Now there was news here. Normally we would have had an add-on right here by my blue dot, but I didn't call that add-on because of the news. Once the news came out and they were still hanging around this area, I said there's a good chance they'd get up here to about 975, 1760, 60 quarter, somewhere in this area. They actually did hit the target you would have got filled at the ultimate target, but I'm not going to count that extra point because I actually recommended most people get out around this area. So 3.5 points to 5 points, depending on if you stayed in or not, how long you stayed in, and that was a great trade. Now the market came down. Once they came down here and they looked like they were making their way down, I said that if it came down to 1750. 475 to try to get short around 1755. 475.5 anywhere in this area here. I said to take quick profits, try to get +1, +2 points, and we have to see what happened after that. There's actually a long trade as well that was setting up here, which is why I just said I recommended taking +1 and +2 and getting out of it. I said that if the market was going to truly go lower, that we have another opportunity to get in. I did not call this long here. There was people that know the methodology in the mentoring room that were long from here. I opted to wait to see what would happen first, and I actually got us long a little bit up higher. So that was a winner, +1, +2 there. When the market got back above the 1755 on this candle right here, I said you can get long 1755, 1755 quarter, right here where my green arrow is here. And I said they don't really have to go any higher than 657, so taking a 1.5 on it would probably be good. I said that if they were going to go higher, that we would have another setup, most likely setting up. So I just recommended getting out of that at a 1.5 there because this was a tricky area and I wasn't really too sure what was going to happen. Sure enough, they failed. They came down. Now this trade right here, I can count it, I cannot count it. This was a pretty aggressive trade down here. I told anybody who was up on the day, the market could come up further from here, but I was going to get short at 1751, and my target here was 1749. And I said that I was going to try to get 2 points out of it. And again, if the market was going to go lower, we'd either have an opportunity to get in again, or they would come up, which they did, and we'd have another opportunity to get in. So I took 2 points there. Everybody might not have taken that trade, but there was an opportunity there. When the market came up, one last time, I said we're going to short at 1751.50. And when the market came down here, feeling a little bit under the weather today, I was going to close the room early. So I basically told everybody what I was going to do once I got, this is trade still going, once I got a 1.5 in the trade, I was going to basically take half my position off, and I was going to risk a total break even on it. I said officially, I would recommend just getting out only because I'm not going to be in the room. But I said that the market could potentially work its way all the way down to 1743, which is significantly lower, all the way down here. That might not happen during lunch. It might happen in the afternoon. It might not happen at all. But I said that I was going to go and put my stop at a total break even, 1752.75. If it took me out, that was fine. But if anybody wanted to hold it, that's what I would recommend doing. So, and it's still coming down here. It could sit in this area for a while. They may take it up, they may take it down. The lower they get, they're going to want to take it down, but we'll have to see what happens. Officially, the trade's over. So Great day, guys. 3.5 to 5 points here, 1 to 2 points here, another point there, couple points there, couple points there, 1.5 points officially, 8 to 10 points for the day. And again, if you're still in this one, it's still going for any people who are still in the room. So we're still in it from the room. So great way to end the week on a Friday. Have a great day, guys, and we'll do it back again on Monday. Have a great